This is what you get driving the Hellcat in icy roads. Okay guys, we have a new challenge today. I gotta be crazy to be doing this, but I'm gonna do it for you. And all the roads in my neighborhood are ice packed. And I'm gonna try if this charger is gonna go. I'll turn around this camera to show you how ice packed this road is. So this is basically ice right here, as you can see. You can see there, it's ice. Even my boots is not getting traction. So we're gonna see if we can go on this basically ice sheet. This whole road is a sheet of ice. I mean, if you don't walk carefully, you're gonna tumble. And to give it more challenge, as you can see, this is an uphill climb, probably 25-30 degree all the way up there. So we'll see if this goes. This is a crazy adventure that I'm doing just for you guys. Let me take a picture here for my thumbnail. It really is an uphill. Uphill road. So all right, let's get going. A lady in a minivan actually stopped to check if I was doing all right. So as you can see, the road that we're heading on is showing on the dash cam is uphill, and I'm full stop. Michelin Pilot Sport All Season 4. Let's see if we can get up it. If not, I have to back all the way down. It's going. Speed is about 13-14 miles per hour. It's going. I'm quite impressed, because I don't know if any other tire would be able to get up this hill. It's a challenge for sure. This road is just ice packed. There's probably an inch to half an inch of ice that is in this road. I mean, they plowed it, but they never put down any salt or anything to melt this down. And it's, very, very challenging, as you can see. We're still going uphill. Obviously, if I put more speed, it's just gonna start to push the rear, as it's rear wheel drive. Here's another uphill. These tires are quite impressive, actually. There's just slush in it right now. And obviously people still driving, as fast as they could. That was a stop. We were able to get going with no problems. As you can see, this is slush right now. Although slush, it's still, slippery. But again, we're trying to prove if it will go. Stop, no problem. A little bit of wheel spin there in the slush. quite sensibly, it's all right. You're gonna be able to get around. Is it ideal? No. Am I crazy? Yes. But then again, you know, you might get caught in a situation where you left your house driving this car and it started to snow, or you know, the next day it snowed and it became ice or what have you because of the roads being untreated. This is to prove that this Michelin Pilot Sport All Season 4 are good tires to have, even in this 717 horsepower, you know, car. And obviously these people driving SUVs are still driving like, you know, they won't crash if they slide. You know, that's just how people's mentality are. They probably don't even think about their tires. But you know, obviously this lady in the white Toyota whatever is obviously wanting to get around me, not thinking that even though she's got all-wheel drive, she still will slide. This is just packed ice. I'm gonna head back to the neighborhood because these roads, as you can tell, are pretty well plowed. They treated these roads. So I'm gonna go back to my neighborhood so that we can be driving in more ice. So if the question is, can you drive your Hellcat in snow and ice? This definitely answers that question. This is ice right here, as you can see. Just a sheet of ice. With the proper, correct tires, you definitely can drive this car. Which is pretty amazing for me, is the correct tires and obviously correct driving behavior. If I went like 40-50, it's miles per hour in here, that's pretty good, but it's a neighborhood, so 25 miles per hour is a top speed in here. Stop. That's a full stop. It's sliding, slipping, but it's going. It's not getting me stuck in ice. It really isn't getting me stuck in ice. Again, this is, you know, an uphill climb. Man, I realize this neighborhood of ours is just a lot of hills. All these roads are going up. So you can do a full stop, get going, go uphill, go downhill. As long as you're slow in the turns, you're not gonna slide. You slide a little bit, make it more fun. Like in the cul-de-sac, you can probably do a little donut in here. The traction control is preventing me from doing a full donut. All right, I'm gonna go back to my driveway. I think I was able to prove a point. Little donut here. There you go. You get out of there. It's just slow, but it got out of there. So this answers the question: can you drive your Charger Hellcat wide body in ice? And the answer is yes, as long as you have the proper tires. Either the Michelin Pilot Sports All Season 4 or the Continental Extreme Contact DWS 06, or, you know, a dedicated snow tire like the Continental, Viking Contact 7, or whatever you prefer snow tires. You can. Right? So if you like this video, please, this is your only car for the winter. Share it so people will know the answer to that question when you're driving in ice. And subscribe if you would. That will help the channel. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye for now.